Welcome everyone to the video. Welcome to the channel. I know it's been a while and I have no excuses. I know I say I'm going to be posting every single week, but again, no excuses on that. Yeah, it's just, busy with my other channel, busy with eBay and stuff like that. So definitely, I'm not going to make any promises, and I will try to post here consistently as possible to keep you guys up to date with what is happening with our store, brand new store. Again, this is my son's store in collaboration with me. So I'm helping him get this store going, get this store launched, and we've had a few sales. And so it's been about a couple weeks, and we have a few sales here. Now, we're not listing consistently, only about once every few days. Again, I'm leaving it primarily up to him and getting the listings done, at least getting, the pictures listed and everything like that. And but we've had some success already with a few sales here. And let's go ahead and look at these sales. Let me pull up my my cursor here. Like the video, thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the bell notification when we drop these videos, because I'm inconsistent here on this channel. But I still want to show you guys what we're selling and how the store is doing. If I think in the last video I mentioned I did sign up, or we did sign up for a store subscription, just the lowest one, because for my own sanity, if I'm going to be helping, I need to be able to have the same view that I'm looking at, and we'll have a little bit more control, some more tools available to us to help with sales. But first, what we have here is a Las Vegas Raiders hat. This is a new era hat. Total, what the person paid, the customer paid, is $9.71. That's the total, not what it was listed at. It was listed at $5. So just be aware of that. The number there, the total sales, that is the total with everything, shipping, taxes, all that, what the person paid. So $9.71 is the total of what they paid. What we have into this item is this was from a flea market. This was from a bundle. I had it laying around. It wasn't in the best of condition, but I figured this is the first item we listed in the store. And I said, let's just list it for $5 and let's see what happens. Maybe someone will buy it, and sure enough, someone did. So taxes there, and then you have the total selling cost, $6, or the $6.60 is the what it cost to sell the item. Basically, the fees and everything like that came out of that. The shipping label as well too, because they did pay for the shipping label. And we will make a little bit on top of the shipping label, because I always overestimate the weight to earn a little bit back in order to pay for the cost of the box, the padding, whatever it takes there. So so $6.60 right there. And then let's see, so what's actually getting deposited is $2.82 is what we actually made. Again, you would also subtract from your net sale. You would subtract the cost of goods. Here, it's his own. I probably paid less than $1 for this, so we'll consider that all profit. The next sale, OnCloud, or OnCloud Nova. And a lot of people think OnCloud is the actual company. The company's name is On, and OnCloud is one of their shoes, one of their models. And then we have here an OnCloud Nova shoe, and a men's 10.5. This number here is not in the title. This is the item number. So that's not actually in the title of these listings here. $58.96 is what the buyer paid in total, in whole. And then you have the taxes there, a little bit more, obviously, because a little bit more of a pricier item. Total selling cost, $14.84. So that's the fees, that's the label and everything. And $40.40 is what was made off of these shoes. What was the buy cost for these? Well, the buy cost is what me and my wife paid for them when we bought them for him, which was probably over $100, at least $120, $130. These aren't the more higher end On shoes, but they're probably still around $120, $130. So me and my wife lost money on these shoes, but my son profited $40.40 on these shoes. So not bad at all. Okay, now we're getting into the real reseller selling here, buy cost, all that. So my son paid $13 for these shoes, some Nike Zoom X Invincibles. These are practically brand new in excellent condition. A great size as well too, size 11, 10 and a half, 11 tend to be the better sizes, the most common sizes you'll find out there. $66.87 is what was paid by the buyer here. And we see the breakdown, $19.30. A little bit more of an increase because these cost a little bit more to ship. So there's a little bit more in there, baked in there for the shipping label as well too. Again, we overestimate a little bit. So we do make a little bit on the shipping cost, and that helps offset the cost of boxes, padding, all that stuff. So what actually gets deposited is $44.07. However, there is a buy cost associated with this, and that is $13. So we subtract the 13 from there, and what do we get? We get $31.07 from this. That will be the actual profit. However, don't forget, you get your original profit back. Reselling, in my opinion, is one of the few where you actually get your return back relatively quickly. You get your money back relatively quickly, along with profit, hopefully profit. A lot of stuff, stocks. You invest in a restaurant, a business. You invest that money for the long term. You might not see that return. Very, very quickly. In reselling, you can see your return very, very quickly, or at least get your money back very, very quickly. So we get that money back. We get that $13 back, and we can go ahead and reinvest that. Along with any profit we make, we can reinvest that. We can put some away and buy some more. Now, we're not necessarily focused primarily on shoes and hats. There will be clothing here eventually too, but that's primarily, some of the easiest stuff to list is hats and shoes. It's very, very easy. It takes very, very little time. So a few sales here within a couple weeks. Pretty good. One thing to be aware of with brand new stores, which I was unaware of, is that eBay holds your money. eBay holds the money until the item is delivered. Kind of annoying, and I wasn't aware of it on eBay. I've been selling on eBay for way too long, so I'm comfortable with the way things operate for me. And but I know this is a thing on other platforms like I believe Poshmark, whatnot, and other ones where they usually wait till the item gets delivered until your money gets in. And I think even Poshmark, you have to wait for a review of the item you sent out, or you wait for the review, or you have to wait like 3 days or something like that. And there are some instances where your money will get held up if you're not paying attention for a longer period of time. So definitely be aware of that, and be aware of that on newer stores here on eBay. But few sales here. I'm going to try to keep everybody updated with what's happening with the store, what our sales are looking like. I might do maybe a weekly sales if we get more consistent sales. We got to get consistent listing. At least one a day is the goal right now. Just get one listing up a day, and hopefully sell one item a day. And we'll see what our week looks like. Hopefully coming soon. I know holidays are coming up, so we may be lacking in that one on this store. But our primary store, we're listing all the time, and that one is rolling. If you do want to follow that, that is Gem Flipper. Well, I don't really show like the details of the store like this, but I show what sold and what I'm picking up and where I'm going and where I'm finding the items. So thank you guys for watching. Again, please like the video, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know if you guys are starting a brand new store. And what your experiences are. If you need help, definitely you can reach out in the comments. My email might be in this one, or might be in my primary YouTube channel. I could definitely try to help answer any questions or anything like that. Down in the comments. I think the comments will be easier right now. Just it's a relatively small channel. Don't see many comments. So if you do have any questions or concerns, definitely drop them down below and let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.